Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair guys our Bluetooth earbuds to our phone. Friends, you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth earbud to your phone. So friend, how can you unpair? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we unpair guys our Bluetooth earbud to our phone. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to unpair guys our Bluetooth earbud. After on phone setting, guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting, guys. Tap on guys your phone Bluetooth setting, guys. So guys, you can see guys we have paid guys this fit on company TWS earbud. So when we want to unpair, so when you can unpair from here, guys. Unpair option, guys. Tap here to unpair. After unpair, guys, we cannot use. If we use, so we will have to give this permission again. We will have to click on this pair option to pair it. Then guys we can use, otherwise not. So like that guys, we can unpair guys our Bluetooth earbud to our phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.